Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.17 Feature Dimensions. Click a button on the elevation pedestal sheet and you are prompted to enter the following dimensions on the project dimensions sheet. Width equals capital WDT. Depth equals capital DPT. Height of the section, component or part equals capital HGT, capital SECT. Height accumulated equals capital HGT, capital ACUM. Quantity equals capital QTY. There are 2 more columns related to the feature's dimensions. Capital C, capital W, capital U. A formula in the last column does not require entry. The cell value will be either capital E, capital X, or capital I, capital N. Capital E, capital X means the feature is excluded from the cost workup. Capital I, capital N means the feature is included in the cost workup. Until dimensions are entered, capital E, capital X should be in each cell. Select Cost Workup Sheet button is in the first column of the dimensions. It switches you to the cost workup sheet appropriate for the row. It will be used in step 2 of this example. There is no button if the worksheet has not yet been created. This example 1.2.17 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.18.